Naturalization is the legal process of becoming a U.S. citizen after spending some time as a legal permanent resident. The eligibility for naturalization have a few steps. First of all, you have to spend at least 5 years as a legal permanent resident, or commonly known as a green card holder. If you are married to a U.S. citizen, then the time required to spend as a green card holder is 3 years. Secondly, you need to spend a certain amount of time in the United States to be able to file the naturalization application. For those who need to spend 5 years as a green card holder, the required time to spend in the United States, physically in the United States, is 30 months. For those who obtained the green card through marriage, the legal time that needs to be spent in the United States physically is 18 months. The other requirement of filing a naturalization application is not spending time outside of the United States at once for more than 180 days. It is important to note that this is 180 days and not 6 months, because 6 months is usually more than 180 days, and it is a common mistake. The other requirement for filing a naturalization application is having good moral and character during the preceding 5 years of filing the naturalization application. And finally, an applicant needs to spend at least 3 months at the state where he resides before filing the naturalization application. Once you have all the requirements for the naturalization application must be filled out and sent to the USCIS with the correct forms, correct filing fees, and the supporting documentation. Once the application is filed, you will receive a receipt notice acknowledging the receipt of the application by USCIS. A few weeks later, you're supposed to receive a biometrics notice. You will then need to wait for your interview notice. At the interview, your whole A file, meaning all the applications that you've submitted to USCIS so far throughout your non-immigrant visa status, during your green card application, will be in front of the reviewing officer. So filling out the forms and filling the correct information on the forms is very important in the naturalization application. Don't forget, naturalization or US citizenship is the biggest benefit this country can give you. It is important to study for the naturalization test before the interview. Study materials for these both tests are available at the USCIS website. Once your interview is complete, you will be given a date for the oath ceremony. Some states hold the oath ceremony on the same date of your interview, but in some states, you will get a separate notice in the mail for the date of your oath ceremony. Getting a professional help in the naturalization application is crucial, because in the event of a misrepresentation or incorrect filling of the forms, you may not only risking the denial of your naturalization application, but maybe also losing your green card. So we always advise our clients to get professional help from an experienced immigration lawyer in filing their naturalization applications.